there, the Museum of Maserati. You see, I like the green one. The green one is nice. Ayan. The blue, no. Ang dilim naman yung blue na yan. Dilim. I think there is a timetable. Let us see. This is the entrance. Let us see if there is written here. Showroom. This is the showroom. Oh. Showroom. Maserati store, showroom, aperto, open to public. There are the workers of their uniform. And Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 18 non-stop. The showroom. In the store, open Monday to Friday, 9:30, alone, 13, close, then 13:30, close 30 minutes until 6 p.m. You see? You can buy ticket there. Oh, ticket there. Here, I saw that. They enter here, all the workers. You see? There is a museum. La Maserati. One day I have a car like that. one day in my life. One day in my life I will buy one. One day I will become a millionaire. Ako, ayaw ko talaga yung blue na yan. Bakit ba yung kulay na yan? Ang itim. Yung ganda yung green. Oh. The green is nice. I see. The green is nice. One day when I become a millionaire, I will buy that green color Maserati. I will buy that one. That green. Magdilang anghel sana ako Magdilang anghel. Okay. Hindi ko talaga nagustuhan yung kulay blue na yun. Ang dilim. Buti itim na lang. Itim, black. Oh, okay, black. Pero blue, dark blue, parang madilim. Yan ba? Gusto nyo ba yan? Dark blue? Dark blue. So I walk instead of waiting the bus. Me annoyed waiting the bus. Thank you very much. Nakatambay dyan. Si Diskarte, tinambay mo sa iyong laptop. Kasi naka-steady 5 viewers. It means that nakatambay. Naka-steady 5 viewers. It means nakatambay kayo. Let's go. Sayang before this is a completely Italian owner. Completely. Here, when I arrived here, completely Italian owner. But now, I don't know how much the percent of the crisis kasi. Crisis. I think French. Go, I don't know. Crisis. Very crisis. Dito tayo kasi. Umalis tuloy.